agenda planning, and note-taking. Let me show you a video. So here I start off by creating my agenda from the moment I wake up to the moment I fall asleep. I write down all the timings and the corresponding activity. Here, I've zoomed up and shown you how it looks. You can do it anywhere, on a notebook or a piece of paper, but somewhere that you can refer back to. Then I start off by studying. I write down all my notes first in black, and I like to do bullet points so they look organized and they're easy to revise when I come back to them later in the future for any tests or quizzes I have. Then I go on by highlighting the important words and underlining the important phrases of my notes. So I read them over and over again, and I continue highlighting and writing the important words. Now I'm annotating my own notes by writing any extra information that I might have missed or anything that I need to add. So I have my notes from my school that I've printed out, and then I write them in my own words so I learn. So once I finish doing this, I write all the most important vocabulary on an extra sheet of paper, highlight the most important words, and then I write the definitions down as I'm doing. And once I finish that, then I finish my notes for a specific topic, and then I'm done.